Hello everyone and welcome you all to another chapter of Adobe Premiere Pro tutorial. So now we are on our chapter number 7 and we'll be learning about how you can export in Premiere Pro. Okay, so I'll be showing you guys how you can export your video once we are done, and I'll be showing you guys the new way and also the old way. So we'll be doing the same thing in different ways. I'll be telling you guys about the options which are being offered while exporting and how to get started. So let's not waste time here and let's get started with this particular chapter. So here, as you guys can see, I'm in my workspace again. Okay, so I'll be exporting this particular video from here. So the new way is on top here, you do have the option for import, edit, and export. But in the other version, they didn't have this new feature. So whether you're using the newer version or the older version, no problem. I'm going to show you both the ways of how to export. So I will come here. Okay, and in this you guys can see from here I can basically select the file name. Okay, so from here if I come and if I just type basic, I'll type basic bp, I'll just bp tutorial, and I'll give dot in between. And here I can also select the location where I want to save this file. Okay, so I'll come here and yes, I will save this one here in this particular resource file, and I'll click save here. And basically here you do have different presets. Okay, so I'll be choosing the um, presets. Okay, if I want to see more, here you guys can see there are more 8K UHD, 4K UHD. Okay, I do have the option of all this here as well. Okay, so I'll come here and I will take this adaptive high bitrate and format. Here you guys can see I do have different format, but I'll be using this only, the H.264. Okay, so this is the MP4, and here, if you guys want to see this MPEG-4, here you can see this is the 3GP. So this is not the MP4, basically. And here are different options. Okay, waveform audio, this is WAV. So you can just play around and look around which one you're going to use. So here I can see I can use the M4V. Okay, so this one is the Blu-ray one, but I'll just use this normal one. So I just want an MP4 H.264. So here you can see again it have changed to MP4. So here are a few options like in what size do I want. Okay, I have already ticked all of this. And the audio, okay, you can see the sample rate. And here I have also on the effects, which I have used. If I want to use any now, I can do that as well. And here are the metadata. Okay, so here I can see. So from here, basically, I can upload this, okay? And I can also save in the media file. So here is the source. So if I just want to save it in my system, I will select this one, the media file from here, okay? But if I want to select any different thing, okay, so like if I want to just export or upload it into my YouTube channel, so I can just click on this one, and from here I can basically select my channel. Okay, so I can select the channel, I can select in what playlist. Okay, I can put all of this, I can put the tags, I can also customize the thumbnail from here. Okay, if I want to choose this from the frame source, I can do this as well. Or if I do have an image which I want to put it as a thumbnail, I can do that. So thumbnail are basically this image like the preview of, if you're putting it in a large icon view, then you can see that preview or the page. Okay. So if you do have a Facebook or a Twitter, Vimeo account, Behance, or if you want to upload it to your Creative Cloud, you guys can do it from here as well. So I'll just off this one. And now I can just export this basically from here. Okay, so this is one way of how I can do it. Otherwise, I'll come to the edit option from here. And from edit option, where I'll do is I'll go to my libraries. Okay, and I will go to info. So here you guys can see. So now from this, I'll be showing you guys how you could have done in the older version. Okay, so from here come to this project panel. Okay, so from here I do have all of this here. Okay, so from here I'll be searching for the sequence. Okay, so I do have this, I'll have this one, so this one is the sequence, and I will select this particular sequence, and I will come to the file option, and from file I'll come to this export option. So once I've came to the export option, here you can see I do have the media here. So I can just click on Control plus M from my keyboard as well. Okay, so I will click here, and here you guys can see I do have this available here. Okay, so here I do have the export option again. So I have unselected this and this one. And here you guys can see again this particular preview. Okay, so here you can see the preview and how I want to scale this. If I want to scale it to fill or stretch to fill, or if I want to put scale to fit. And I can also choose the range. Okay, so if I want to custom the range, I can custom it, but I'll just choose this one as this. Okay, so I have selected this. So this is another way of how you can actually export. Okay, but if I come to edit again, and now I click here or come to the file. Okay, so from here I will go export. So from here again, I do have this one. Okay, so basically this is trying to understand the sequence from here. Okay, so I will have this, and I will click on export from here, and I'll be exporting this particular video. Okay, so here you can see the estimated file size. Okay, so this is something around 379 MB. Okay, so I will click on export. So here you can see it may take some time to export. Okay, so after that, I'll be showing you guys where I have saved this one. And from there, I'll be just playing the video to show you guys how you can export that video and also work it out. So we'll just wait for some time here. Okay, so here I have been done with my exporting from here. Okay, so basically here you can see my events, like there it's telling me that my video was exported successfully. I will just close this one, come here. Okay, then I'll go to my resource file. So I will go here, and from here you guys can see I'm already in this file, and now I can just play this one. Okay, here you can see the size is 379 MB, and the length is 1 minute 19 seconds, and I have renamed this. So here you guys can see there was my transition here. Okay, so this was the transition, and here you guys can see the transition as well. Okay, I can just put out
Hello,
here.
hello. One, two,
Okay,
three.
so
Hello,
here also you'll
hello.
have another transition. Okay, so this is how I have made this particular video, and here I didn't put any kind of transition. So hope you guys have understood how you can export down your video, and I have also told you guys different ways of how you can export. And here is another option, as you can see the my mouse here. Okay, so this is a quick export option. So from here you can basically check the preset. Okay, I will just check this, and if I click on export, here you can see this one is exporting again. So this is the easiest way how you can do that, just choosing the preset, and uh, the other thing this Premiere Pro will do by itself to its best. So here, this is a quick export option, and these are different workspaces. Okay. So from here also, you guys can get different workspaces. If you want to edit the workspace, you guys can do this as well. Okay. So hope you guys have understood everything about exporting. So, hope to see you all in the next class where we'll be learning more about Adobe Premiere Pro. Okay, till then, take care and goodbye, everyone.